Hello, I started this channel to talk to you about the book The History of Thought on Biological Evolution. In the next videos, I'll discuss it in detail, but I can tell you in advance that it is a very rigorous book, suitable not only for experts, but also for those who want to understand this topic, which seems simple, which is far from it. I introduce myself by saying that I am a biologist who graduated cum laude at the University of Bologna, the oldest and prestigious university, and I have a PhD in biophysics. Meanwhile, if you are thinking of a Christmas gift, consider this book. You can find it on Amazon. I'll include the link in the description, but you can find also it by typing the title and my name. I apologize for my pronunciation, but I assure you the book is written in impeccable English, having been translated by the excellent John Venerella.